Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to play 1v1 with your friend on Call of Duty Mobile. So all you have to do is launch your game and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply tap on the multiplayer mode. So select it. And then once you get to this page, all you have to do is tap on this icon with the three lines. Tap on it. And from the menu that appears, select private. Now, once you select private, you'll get to this page. So you get to this settings. So you can choose the mode. So you can choose the mode, you can choose the map, and then you can choose the weapons available. So let's say just one shotgun, and then disable that, and then select confirm. Now, once you've confirmed, all you have to do is just invite a friend. So you can tap on this invite, and then select that particular friend you'd like to invite. So since I have this one, so just select invite, and they will receive an invite. And once they receive an invite, they will join that particular match, and then you can simply press on start. So that's basically it on how to 1v1 your friend in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.